the Global GCC Summit 2025 organized by Inductors. Can you just give us a brief introduction about yourself and your organization?
So, hi, I'm Pallavi Jaiswal, and I represent here today SSF Global. It's an industry association for global shared services, global business services, GCCs, and any AI, COE, or innovation hub for the global organizations here in India.
So, ma'am, what motivated you to attend this Global GCC Summit?
So today, it seems that talent is one of the reasons why we are all getting together and having the conversation. That's an area that SSF has been working on very aggressively, trying to solve all the challenges the members are having. We're looking at industry academia tie-ups. We're looking at building curriculums which is enabling for them. We are looking at how it can be integrated with the current BBA and MBA courses, talking to multiple universities to make that happen. So yes, today's challenges as well as tomorrow's challenges when it comes to GCC.
Talking about industry academia collaboration, what do you think? What is your perspective that it is important for coming GCC ecosystem?
Yeah, so well, when we are looking at the current GCC ecosystem and what we are looking today in the summit is today and 2030 and 2040. All these three have a different solution to it. When it comes to today, we are looking at those short-term, 3 months, 6 months courses to make people ready for GCC kind of a skill set. What we're looking, during 2030 and 2040 is something which the future is going to look like. So, what is it that we should do today when we're talking about collaboration, so that the talent that is ready is not only GCC ready, but is enabled to work in an environment which is completely different from today. So I think it's very exciting to be a part of a time when everything is getting formed.
Okay, so what's that one message that you want to give to the youth of India?
So I guess just focus on two skill sets to develop. How to tell a story. I think that takes care of mostly everything, because if you're able to tell a value story to everyone, it's more than enough, And of course, be ready for any kind of a change. Be ready to adopt.
So, ma'am, how do you find the vibe of the summit, and what was your overall experience of the summit?
It's good because I see a whole range of people. It's not just people from the GCC industry. It's also the entire ecosystem of GCC seems to be here. Along with, of course, a lot of academia, professors, and institution heads, which is good, because this is the kind of conversation we should be having. Can't be just siloed in one place.
Ma'am, if you have to set up a GCC in India in tier 2 cities, so which cities would you choose?
Hyderabad and Bangalore is completely the cities which are trending. But given that we are looking at talent as one of the reasons why GCCs are moving to India, we have a lot of tier 2 cities which has a lot of talent who move to cities like Bangalore and Hyderabad. Why do that? Because anyway, the institutions are solving to make sure that they are skilled. So tier 2 cities would be any. It could be Jaipur, it could be Nagpur, it could be Kochi, and even the tier 3 cities which are now gearing up. Cities like Indore have already come up in a big way, and we move on. Ahmedabad has also come up in a big way.
Thank you so much for your valuable time, ma'am. Enjoy the event, enjoy the day.
Thank you.